challenge today was to make the cigar box tanpura sound more like the Indian instrument. This requires a buzz in the strings, a kind of drone overtone system, and I've done this by adding threads between the bridge and the strings. These threads are called Jiva and require really fine adjustment to produce that kind of buzz. So you can see here on the tanpura bridge where I have applied the 4 Jiva threads, and as I said, it's fine adjustment, which I did with a pair of tweezers just to move them fractions of a millimetre up and down, and I think I've got quite a decent buzz from them now. And with some amplification, still a work in progress, but getting the drone and buzz.